Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing, this is a preliminary video on a rebuilding we're doing on a Perry 4-piston small volume filler. In this case it's a few ounce fill. As you can see, it has a unscrambling table, small conveyor, and 4 pistons. We've completely gutted and rebuilt the unit. We've added a new touch sensitive control panel, new pneumatic controls down here, as well as a PLC system all running on 24 volt. Over here on the left side, the unit has a separate DC controller which operates the unscrambling table, as well as one which operates the conveyor. Now we're going to take you through the paces on this right now. Here's the second DC. This operates the conveyor. Now right now we're in a ready mode, and it has a system by which it counts bottles as they come in. So right now we're going to reset, and it's going to a home position which is at one end of the fill stroke. So now that we're ready to start, we come up and hit the start button, and what it's done is counted 4 bottles in, makes a fill cycle, releases 4, counting those, letting the other ones go almost immediately after counting 4, stopping the next group. This pace is about 30 a minute. And obviously the bottles on the discharge end are just ending up on a conveyor and backing up back here, so we can only show you a run for a few minutes. If you have a problem, you can hit the stop button and it'll finish the cycle. And then once it's done that, it'll activate and close both of the actuating cylinders and just let it sit there. And now to reset it and start again, you reset. It'll bring it back itself to the home position. You can see here that they just moved, finished their cycle. It gets ready for the next start position. Once that happens, the screen relights and it redoes the start button. Hit the start again, and it'll continue its cycle. Now in this case, there's no more bottles, so the incoming arm, once it counted the last one bottle will sit there until the remaining 3 bottles come into place before it works again. We're going to show you a full video on this when we get done with it. Our next step will be trying with fluid, and we'll run some fills from that. We're going to attach a discharge conveyor to it as well, so we can have more of a working circumstance. We look forward to hearing from you. So please visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for joining us today.